Nuvo H20 is a popular salt-free water conditioner that uses citric acid to condition hard water without electricity and water wastage. However, its annual maintenance costs can exceed $200, which is much higher than those of its competitors. So, is it worth it? In this video, we'll analyze Nuvo H20 based on key factors such as limescale prevention, ease of installation, and overall usability to find just that. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, limescale removal capacity. The Nuvo H20 system tackles limescale using a chelation process with citric acid. It works by binding hard water minerals like calcium and magnesium, forming a ring structure that prevents these minerals from attaching to surfaces like faucets, pipes, and appliances. This is effective as long as the treated water is used within 1 to 2 days, beyond which the minerals can become reactive again. However, chelation isn't as effective in preventing scales as template-assisted crystallization, which converts hard water minerals into crystals that can't bond to surfaces. This is used by competitors like Springwell Futurisoft and is backed by multiple scientific studies. Additionally, TSC media typically needs replacement only after 3 to 5 years, while Nuvo H20 requires replacement every 6 months, adding to long-term maintenance costs. Again, just like most salt-free conditioners, Nuvo H20 isn't suited for very high hardness levels. Also, it reduces your water's pH to condition hard water. So if your feed water's pH is not over 7.2, it can make your water too acidic to react with your copper pipes and give blue water, which can be dangerous to drink. So be careful. Next up, water pressure and flow rate. Nuvo can work in 7.25 to 100 psi, which suits most standard plumbing setups. Plus, it has a handy pressure release valve on top of the housing, letting you safely release excess pressure during maintenance or cartridge replacement. However, you might notice a drop in water pressure. Nuvo H20 comes in 2 sizes for homes up to 1,500 square feet and over 1,500 square feet. Ensure you pick the correct size to avoid any water pressure issues. Installing the Nuvo H20 system is fairly straightforward, thanks to the detailed manuals and video guides. But it's better to hire a professional for proper installation. Make sure the system is installed vertically with the blue head at the top. Avoid inverting the system for proper functionality. The system stands out for being environmentally friendly. Unlike traditional water softeners, it doesn't rely on water, salt, or electricity, making it an excellent option for those keen on reducing waste and energy consumption. Plus, it doesn't add any sodium to your water, which is a big win for anyone watching their sodium intake, especially people with high blood pressure. Maintaining the Nuvo H20 system is easy, but it comes with significant costs. The main task is replacing the cartridge every 6 months, up to over $200 a year. This is much higher than other options like Springwell or Kind Water, which only needs $40 a year to replace sediment filters. When it's time to replace the cartridge, disinfect the sump with a mixture of 1/3 cup bleach to 3 quarts of warm water. Use a sponge, wear gloves, and rinse thoroughly to maintain hygiene. It's also recommended to replace the O-ring annually to ensure the system stays leak-free. Nuvo's customer support has received mixed reviews. While some customers have reported frustrating experiences, like poor service and unexpected shipping charges, others have noted positive resolution, like getting free replacements for faulty units. On the bright side, Nuvo H20 does offer a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 5-year warranty. Overall, Nuvo H20 is a decent option for scale removal, but there are better alternatives like Springwell and Kind Water, utilizing superior TAC technology with significantly lower maintenance costs. We've listed 3 such salt-free systems that are best for hard water scales, so check that out now.